Hey guys, Linda's Tools here, and here I have an unboxing for you of the DeWALT FLEXVOLT 60-volt grinder kit, model number DCG418X1. Let's get into it. That's everything in the box. Oh, you get their medium-sized contractor bag, and zipper, your paperwork, type 27 guard, that guy, handle, here's going to be your box with your battery. We'll get to that in a second. Here's the charger that comes with the kit. This is the 6 amp fast charger, DCG418X1 6 amp fast charger. This will do the 12 volt, 20 volt, and your flex volts. Here is the grinder itself. Oh, never mind. So that's, well, I guess it is a Type 27 guard, but it looks like it comes with your 4.5 inch and your 6 inch. Here's the unit itself. Guard adjustment. You press this in, spin that around. Pistol grip style, easy to press trigger. You got your removable mesh intake guards. Looks like it comes with a grinding disc. Comes with a 4.5 inch grinding disc. And last of all, the battery. This kit comes with the FLEXVOLT 9 amp hour. It is 9 amp hours at 20 volts, and I believe 3 amp hours at 3 amp hours at 60 volts. 180 watt hours. Yeah, so there's that guy. Guys, thanks so much for watching the unboxing. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.